Hi everybody. This is my final homepage. I finally have it all figured out and going correctly. As you can see, it does scale um, really nicely actually. This is the template PHP that I have. And then we have my um, homepage, which also scales really nicely. Um, I was I also wanted to show you how all of the HTML and CSS validated. So I'm going to pull that up really quick. This is my main CSS. I did start with the phone view. So that was my main, it's where most of my CSS is at. And then I also decided to do a large view where I literally only put that it was going to break into two columns instead of one. This is the home page that I validated, and it does have two errors. That's the errors that are because I used my PHP in it, so it's the 18 and 15 line and then the 72 line right through here. So 72 and 18, those are the ones that are showing errors. But other than that, it is correct, and it actually is correct anyways. So there is that. I'm really excited about it. It all turned out a lot better than I had hoped for. So thanks so much. Bye bye.